1915. Aerial photographers started before the Royal Air Force was even a thing. A few things have happened since then. RAF photographers have adapted to the modern world, selling the stories of our Air Force throughout this time, showing the world some incredible imagery, but recently, things have changed. We are now visual communicators. We are your way to tell your stories and deliver the defence message through all forms of visual communications. And there's more than you think. We know sending a message isn't black and white. It's about catching people's eye and being engaging. Strategic communications are what we've been doing for years. We just called them pretty pictures. Through photos, videos, graphics and animations, our experience and knowledge of industry softwares allows us to message across all platforms, hitting any target audience required. We understand how to influence through our storytelling. From the beginning to the end. And the stories of our Air Force are some of the best. Our content is seen by millions already, and us knowing how to utilize social media to its potential means there will be millions more. We want to make products that engage our audience, much like this video, but that takes a lot of planning and a lot of time. We provide more than just posts. Information activities and operations has seen 30% of us simultaneously deployed, directly affecting UK defence efforts through new styles of messaging that proves our capability even more. This is certainly a big change to what we are known for, but air power is still top of the list. Technical photography is our biggest tasking across the service, and something we take very seriously. Closer, closer, stop. That's not to say we aren't looking to the future. From campaigning at squadron level to sharing our content across the country and the single services, us visual communicators are marketing our profession to the next level.